The Minister of Environment, Balarabe Abbas LAWAL, has emphasized on the need to unlock Nigeria's carbon market opportunities, describing it as a pivotal option in promoting sustainable growth, stimulate economic development, and mitigate climate change. But according to the minister, Nigeria's carbon market is yet to actualize its full potentials. The minister said this at the Nigeria's Carbon Market Framework Article 6 Training and Implementation Design Workshop in Abuja, organized by the National Council on Climate Change. Here's the detail.
The adoption of the Paris Agreement in 2015 set a worldwide objective of keeping the global average temperature well below 2 degrees, which is above pre-industrial period. One of the key outcomes of the COP26 Climate Summit in Glasgow was the approval of Article 6, the rulebook governing carbon markets. The Minister of Environment, Balarabe Abbas LAWAL, said carbon markets present a very important tool to reach global climate goals in short and medium term. He said they could help to mobilize resources and reduce costs to give countries and companies the space to smooth the low carbon transition and be able to achieve the goal of net zero emissions in the most effective way possible.
The country's carbon market will serve as an attraction for climate finance and as a means to curb greenhouse gas emissions. Nigeria has the potential to produce millions of tons worth of carbon credit annually by the year 2030 through projects like reforestation, renewable energy, waste to energy, and improved cooking stop.
The Director General of the National Council on Climate Change, Dr. Salisu Dahiru, said the workshop is aimed at delving deeper into the intricacies of Article 6, with a focus on operationalization and advancing the development of Nigeria's Article 6 framework. He said, despite Nigeria's low level of emissions, the country has the potential for a range of carbon mitigation activities that may allow it to access carbon finance through trading.
Nigeria said for our own target, which is 2030, we intend to reduce our normal or business as usual emissions by 20% on our own without support from anybody. That is the part that is called unconditional. However, if we are able to get financial and technological support from advanced countries, we are willing to reduce it by another 27%, which makes it the total of 47% by 2030.
The Article 6 of the Paris Agreement allows signatories to use voluntary cooperation to meet GHG emission targets outlined in the NDCs. This cooperative approach involves transfer of mitigation outcomes via both bilateral agreements and a supervised marketplace. Though not yet formalized, it is widely acknowledged that creating and establishing these market-based mechanisms can be cost-effective in achieving emission reduction targets. Reporting from the nation's capital, Joycelyn Ella Keche Ada, ADBN News.